So right here's a video showing everything that I've done over the past week. Aside from this board right here, which is the JK flip-flop, I've built everything this week. So over here is the reworked input and output boards. Right now I have the two push buttons hooked up to a debouncing mechanism to get rid of any circuit noise they send out. Over here are my first two registers, my accumulator and my B register. And these feed into the ALU over here. And then the output from that goes to the output board back here. So now just to give a little demo of how it works. So when I first turn the power on, and then reset everything with those two buttons, the current output will just be 0, 0, 0, 0. Now the way this works is, anything on the right side goes to the B register, anything on the left side goes to the A register, the accumulator. And then using these two buttons I can clock the signals in, or I can clock the inputs in rather. So right now I'll turn 1 into the B register, but as you notice nothing changes in the output. But then as soon as I press the clock button for the B register, a 1 will go into the B register and then that'll display it in the output. So over here on the A side, the accumulator, if I turn on that least significant bit, so it's 0001, and I clock it into the A register, it adds 1 from the A register and 1 from the B register, which should output a value of 2, represented in binary. And then over here I was just testing out the debouncing mechanism, and I was testing that with the JK flip-flop. So one little problem that I'm having with my accumulator right now, or rather my debouncing mechanism right now, is that whenever I first turn the power on, it'll send a clock signal out. So notice how it shouldn't send out anything. It should start at 0, 0, 0, 0. But over here it starts at 1, 1, 1, 0, meaning that this will send out a clock pulse at the very beginning. Actually, you can see it represented right here. That will send out a quick clock pulse as soon as the power gets turned on, and this shouldn't be doing it. So right now I'm just looking for a solution to that. And my goal by the end of the weekend is to finish up my last two registers, my display register and my output register, and to start experimenting with data flow throughout the different registers so I can build my control unit. So there's just the entire circuit that I've built so far. And yeah, hope you enjoyed.